So I think Mike hit it right on. It is all about the mission, and for us, we've had a good run, and we're going to keep our foot on the gas pedal because, quite frankly, we have to. We've got to make sure we can keep pace with this, this relentless pace of technology development. We've got to make sure we've got the architecture infrastructure in place to be able to absorb and, more importantly, apply that. Like I said, we're not done, and we never will be. And so we just got to make sure we've got the right things in place to take advantage of it. For us. As we mentioned earlier, we're calling our Sec DevOps, but that is our next big thing. We've embedded now cyber engineers into our DevOps factory, and ultimately what we want to get to is every 2 weeks when we finish a sprint, that's ATO'd. So we're ATOing every 2 weeks, and so we get to finish an application development. It's ready to deploy. Where now it takes 6 to 9 months of ATO process, after we finish an application. So our big focus right now is to get Sec DevOps fully implemented and operational.
Wow.
So
terrific. I like that. I like the idea of a sprint every 2 weeks too. That's something perhaps other agencies ought to think about. I mean, keep the employees motivated by having sort of these goals that you try to meet.
One last thing to echo Bill's point is we want to make ourselves look more like commercial. That's one of our biggest challenges, is not to make our commercial vendors and our partners look like government, because that just doesn't work real well. So we really strive to try to make ourselves look more like commercial.
Excellent.